The accident that took place as early as 8 a.m. in the morning claimed the lives of at least 5 people. The people have since been identified as Gerard Semata, Semei Ndondo, and one seen former all boda riders and 2 passengers.
5 people died on spot and 7 were seriously injured. This happened at around 8:30 a.m. The 5 who perished include 4 male and 1 female.
The accident also left scores injured. It's alleged that the driver of an Isuzu Elf truck lost control as he was entering the Kabuusu roundabout and rammed into boda riders, killing several people and injuring at least 7 others. According to eyewitnesses, the driver of the vehicle lost control and the next sound to hear was that of people screaming. Some of the survivors had this to say.
As the speed is a motor as the speed no Jacksoni, Lulirwa Ambuka, no Lukia, no Luitamu. Abada ina kujampola ampola, siga zempola ampola accident ebategenda kubeerawo. Badde bagulu ku church wali Rubaga. Emaze kuona wera ba boda. Kati wane badde dereva ali mu kudduka ate jasangidde bano nga bali mu roundabout nga takyalina kyakola naye sabala boda 5.
Evudde lyengulu kusade eno kutabani wodo ngekirira oberi emulemeredde naye abadde ku speed nnyo nekuba abantu 6 kati 3 saa zino bannaffe bafu
eri waggulu emisinde zose nekubira eri abantu aba 2 kati mubakuba najja ngadduka ayagala akole ki aleke bali waneganyidde wano okusiba n'abakuba wano badde abantu nga 10 kale.
Police was alerted about the incident and they responded.
Abatomedde balamu bavude motoka nga balamu ne begata mu bana abalala.
Kati mbadde envayo situuse kati mbadde envayo ne motoka ngekirira bweti ndaba piki ezimu ziveere endala ziveeri nendaba nga abayingiddemu nenzikirira mu mwala awo byonna mbirabye bulungi nga ndi mu mwala.
Kampala Metropolitan Police spokesperson Patrick Onyango spoke out on the incident he called unfortunate.
Appeal to motorcycle riders, boda riders, that if somebody has caused an accident, if somebody has knocked somebody and he has not stopped, the only thing we appeal to you, take down the number plate of that vehicle, then report to the nearest police station. We shall use the CCTV cameras, and those CCTV cameras nowadays we are able to trace for any vehicle because all the roads in Kampala are covered with cameras, so we shall able to trace.
He has gone to caution drivers to always check up their vehicles before moving on to the roads.
So I want to appeal to members, to motorists, want to appeal to motorists to always stop. If you have caused an accident, stop, get to know the condition of the victim and how you can assist the victim to reach with the victim to the hospital for treatment or clinic, instead of just driving. When you drive away, you never know. You'll start to overspeed, you'll start driving recklessly, and the end result, you'll cause other accidents.
Later, the bodies were taken to Mulago Hospital for post-mortem as investigations continue. The file was compiled by Chris Semalemu Semakula for CTV PM Edition.